Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Lexi, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, then you should definitely hit that button below. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a unboxing and review on the new IONIC curling iron, and I am so excited to do this video because I have been dying to get this curling iron. So I am super excited to see if I'm going to like it or not. So if you guys are interested in seeing if this curling iron is worth the purchase, then keep on watching. I've seen so many people on Instagram using this curling iron. That is the main reason why I wanted to try out this curling iron, to kind of see what the hype is about. And right now I have been using the T3 curling iron for probably a couple years, I want to say, and I love how it curls, but I have had a lot of problems with the curling iron, as like it doesn't heat up anymore, it randomly shuts off, the curling iron is actually like falling apart. So I think it is time that I try to find a new curling iron. When you get the curling iron, this is what it's going to look like. Very nice box. And the one I did get today was the 1 1/4 curling iron I did get today was the 1 1/4 inch barrel, and then this is the one that comes with a clamp. I personally just like this one the best. And then when you open it, this is what the box is going to look like. It is very nice. Love just the black and blue. I think it's very sleek. So the first thing that I noticed when opening it is that the curling iron is very, very long compared to the other curling irons that I've used in the past. Okay, I'm gonna take it out of the box. So this is what the curling iron is going to look like. Okay, so a couple things about this curling iron. The curling iron has a longer barrel, which is great for people with longer hair because it makes it easier to reach the back of the head. It also does have a digital temperature control, which means it will kind of alter the heat to your hairstyle. And then after 30 minutes, it does automatically shut off, which is great because sometimes I tend to leave my hot tools on. So this is great because you don't have to worry about that. So you press the arrow. We're gonna put it at, let's put it at 360 today. So it says here that the benefits of this curling iron: creates gorgeous long-lasting curls with 5 times less damage. It makes it easier to reach the back sections and style short or long hair. It is great for creating beachy waves. So I am very interested to see if all these things are actually true on the curling iron. So I'm gonna go ahead and section off my hair. I'm also gonna be using no hairspray or any hair product. I just wanna see how this curling iron holds itself. So I'm gonna go ahead and section off. Okay, so now that those pieces are pinned up, I've let the curling iron sit for a couple minutes to heat up. Now I'm going to take about an inch section in the back. Okay, and that is what the curl looks like. I like to do very loose beach waves. So right off the bat, what I can tell is this curling iron, I really like it so far because it glides really nice down the hair. And I think the biggest thing is it just is so lightweight. I'm gonna do another piece here, and it just makes it really easy to slide down the hair. And if you are somebody who's newer at using this curling iron type, I find it's very easy to avoid getting any of those like crimps in the hair because it just slides down very nice. And then you're gonna just really slide, and then I like to pull. And then what I also find that I really like about this is it has a really nice long tip on the end here, as you guys can see, which makes it very easy to hold a curling iron and you don't feel like you're gonna burn your finger. Because with other curling irons, I definitely felt that they didn't have that end thing, or it wasn't big enough, so I felt like I was gonna burn my fingers when I wasn't really paying attention. This curling iron is amazing for curling the back sections. Usually when I reach the back part, I find that my hair tends to fall out because the barrel is too short, but this one really allows to grab all the hair. Also, which I find, which is amazing, is if you are somebody who likes to straighten your hair before you curl it, I find that this curling iron really helps to seal the hair as well. Okay, I'm gonna try to do one that's a little bit tighter just so I can see. And then pull it. I mean, it is a very good curling iron. Look how nice these curls are. And then again, I'm gonna slide. I just feel like it just slides down your hair so nice. Like, I don't even know how to explain. I feel like you need to try it to know what I'm talking about. Personally, I feel like this curling iron might be one of my favorites so far. I really like this. And I think they also have different barrel size, like different barrel lengths on the website. So if you don't want one as long, I think you can get a different type. They also have a lot of different ones. They have wands, different styles of curling iron, so you don't just have to get this one. I do know that it's a little bit on the pricier side. That's why I kind of want to do a review to see if it was worth getting or not. But so far, I am really liking the curling iron. And they also say that these curls are supposed to be long lasting, so I'm very interested in seeing if these curls are going to last all day. I don't feel like it's too hot where it's burning my hair as well, which nobody wants to feel like their hair is being burned off. I'm gonna do a bigger section on this side to see what that curl is going to look like. I think after using this curling iron, I'm never gonna wanna go back to a curling iron with a smaller barrel. I feel like it makes the curling process so much faster because I'm not having to like reach the back of my head. There's no pieces falling out of the barrel. There's either things that you hate about it or there's things you like about it. And so far, everything that I've seen with this curling iron, I really like it. And then it's just nice to slide down those bottoms, especially if you're somebody who likes that beachy wave and you like to kind of straighten the ends. I feel like it's perfect because it just glides down at the end of the hair and just kind of seals everything together. Like that. And look how well these curls are staying. I have not put any product in my hair yet, and these curls literally have not even moved yet. So I was reading up a little bit on this curling iron before I did purchase it, and everyone was saying really good things about this curling iron. Everything that people were saying, I find that is very true. A lot of them were kind of saying the same thing, is that the barrel is great for being a little bit longer. They found their hair felt really smooth after being used. I don't know what you would call this, like the grip or the holder at the end of the curling iron is very useful. So everything that everyone said was pretty much true. And so far, again, I have really nothing negative to say about this curling iron. I think it's been maybe only 10 minutes and I've curled pretty much my whole head, which is super impressive. And I know I don't have like a lot of hair, but that is still pretty good. And also what I do feel like is I don't have to sit there and hold the curling iron on my hair. And that's what I feel like really causes damage to your hair. So I feel like this curling iron heats up that curl really fast, which allows you to work around your head a lot faster. If you guys bought this curling iron, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you guys like it, if you don't, if I should do a review on any other curling irons or any hair products, let me know because I love to do these reviews for you guys. So I just finished curling the last piece of my hair. I'm just gonna let the curls cool down for a second. This is what the curls look like not touched yet. And honestly, this looks like so good. Like it looks like I put a lot more effort in curling my hair than I really did, and it looks like I took a lot longer. So I'm gonna go in and just brush these curls out gently. Okay, right off the bat, I usually don't like curling my hair without my extensions, but something about these curls from this curling iron looks so freaking good. I like the look of very effortless curls, and I find without my extensions, a lot of curling irons make it look too tight on the ends or too bulky. But this curling iron, honestly, is probably the best curls that I've ever had in my hair so far. And I feel like I barely put any effort to curl my hair. So I am very impressed. And even brushing these out with no product, these curls are staying so well in my hair. If you are somebody who is a beginner and you guys are wanting to learn how to curl your hair with a clamp, I definitely would suggest getting this curling iron because again, the long barrel definitely makes it easier to curl these sections in the back and to make sure that the hair is not gonna fall out of the barrel and you have to keep curling and curling and curling. So this long barrel is definitely helpful for that. Also, the curling iron is great because it just slides down the hair so nice. It didn't pull or tangle any pieces of my hair. And also, last thing I did find, I did notice looking at the curling iron heat, it did go up to 430. I originally put it, I think, at 360, so it did climb its way up to 430, which I do find is a little bit hot for my hair, considering it's not too thick unless I like accidentally press the button, but okay. Yeah, so just make sure if you are gonna get this that your finger's not maybe like accidentally turning up the heat to 430. That is a little bit, I find, too hot for my hair. And as for the hair, I feel like the curling iron did exactly what they were trying to do, which was create some soft beach waves, and I feel like it did exactly that. And I feel like it just looks so shiny and healthy after using that. So overall, I'm very, very impressed with this curling iron. If I would rate it out of 10, I would rate it honestly a 10 out of 10. I think it was very, very worth the money, and I definitely will be using this a lot now. And honestly, I think it's gonna be one of my favorite curling irons. So if you guys are thinking about getting this curling iron, then I hope this video kind of helps you. I definitely think you should do it. I think it is totally worth it. And if you guys are interested in seeing more of these hair tutorial videos or just lifestyle or beauty videos, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.